Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. In this class, we're going to see book exercise for countable and uncountable nouns. That is our lesson 3 in class 6. We know that countable mean the nouns which we can able to count. They are called countable and uncountable. The nouns which we can't count, then we call it as uncountable, right? For example, book. Book is a countable one, so it is countable noun. Sand. Sand. We can't able to count the sand. So sand is example for uncountable noun. Let's go for our first exercise. And the topic is underline the nouns in the sentences given below and say whether they are countable or uncountable. Here they ask us to underline the nouns and identify whether it is countable or uncountable. The first one, yes, he is traveling far and wide in search of peace. In this sentence, the noun is peace. So, peace is uncountable one. Okay. And the second one, that painting is truly beautiful. Here, painting. Painting is the noun and it is a kind of countable noun. Then third one, noise can pollute the atmosphere as much as smoke. Here, noise, atmosphere, smoke. These are the nouns. And look at the kinds. Yes, first one is noise. Noise is uncountable. Atmosphere is also uncountable. And smoke is also uncountable nouns. Clear? Okay, ma. Now look at the fourth one. Yes, there is hardly any light in this room. In this sentence, light and room are the two nouns. Light is countable and room is also countable. Then fifth one, his courage drew admiration from all. Here, courage and admiration are the two nouns and the kinds of noun. Yes, both courage and admiration are the uncountable noun. Okay, ma. Now go for our sixth one. Yes, this river has very dirty water. In this sentence, a river and water are the two nouns. A river is countable and water is uncountable noun. Then the seventh one, her hair looks quite different now. Here, hair is a noun and hair is uncountable noun. Then eighth one, butter can be easily made at home from milk. Butter can be easily made at home from milk. In this sentence, we have three nouns and they are butter, home, milk. Here, butter is uncountable noun and home is countable noun. Milk is uncountable noun. And here our ninth one. Prevention is better than cure. Here, prevention and cure are the two nouns and both prevention and cure are the uncountable nouns. Then the 10th one, there is far much oil in the food today. Here, oil and food are the nouns and both oil and food are the uncountable nouns. Dear students, I hope you people know well on what is mean countable and what is uncountable. Right? Yes, let's go for our next exercise. And here is our second exercise. And the topic is use the words given below to complete the sentences. And the words much, yeah, little, many, the. I hope you people know the meaning for these words. And our question, yes, the first one, pass me dash butter, please. Here, much is right? No. Yeah? No. Little? No. Many? No. The? Yes. Pass me the butter, please. Yes, now say the sentence, pass me the butter, please. The second one, there are dash students from the hills in my class. In this sentence, the answer is many. There are many students from the hills in my class. And the third one, can you send me dash shirt? Yes, the answer is yeah. Can you send me yeah shirt? Now let's go for our fourth one. Yes, there is dash floor in the bin. Here, floor is an uncountable noun. So the answer is there is little flour in the bin. And the fifth one, how dash milk should I buy? How dash milk should I buy? And the answer is how much milk should I buy? And the sixth one, yes, here they changed the words. And the given words are any, a lot of, no, all, 50. Once again I repeat, any, a lot of, no, all, 50. These are the given words and we are going to complete the given sentences using the words in the box. Sixth one, where have dash the chocolates gone? Where have dash the chocolates have gone? And the answer is all. Where have all the chocolates have gone? And the seventh one, after the last attempt failed, there was dash hope of risk. There was no hope of risk. And eighth one, I have to pay dash rupees to more to the tailor. I have to pay dash rupees more to the tailor. And the answer is 50 rupees. I have to pay 50 rupees more to the tailor. And ninth one, yes, don't worry, we still have dash money left. And the answer is don't worry, we still have a lot of money left. And 10th one, has she done dash work at all since she came? Here the answer is any. Has she done any work at all since she came? Okay ma, here is our third exercise. Use many, much, yeah, few and yeah, little suitably in the sentences given below. Here many and yeah, few used for countable nouns. Much and little used for uncountable nouns. Once again I repeat, many, few for countable, much, yeah, little for uncountable. The first one, dash people came to see the exhibition. Dash people came to see the exhibition. Here the answer is many people came to see the exhibition. If suppose they given only dash people came to see the exhibition mean the answer would be few. The answer would be few. Suppose அங்க only dash people அப்படி கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா yeah few கொஞ்சம் பேர் மட்டும்தான் வந்தாங்கன்னு ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கும். ஓகேவா? பட் அங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? dash people came to see the exhibition. நிறைய பேர் வந்தாங்க நமக்கு மீனிங் வருது. So many people came to see the exhibition. And second one, how dash patience do you think I have? Patience in the sense பொறுமை. எனக்கு எவ்வளவு பொறுமை இருக்குன்னு நீ நினைக்கிற அப்படி கேக்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா? Patience is uncountable noun and it says about a much amount. நிறைய இருக்க மாதிரி சொல்றாங்க. So How much patience do you think I have? And the third one, yes, not dash time has passed since he moved to Coimbatore. Here, not dash time has passed since he moved to Coimbatore. நிறைய நேரெல்லாம் போயிடல அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க ஓகேவா. But time, here the time is uncountable one. So, answer is much. Not much time has passed since he moved to Coimbatore. And our fourth question, yes, with dash planning you can achieve your goal. Here, planning is uncountable one and the answer is yeah, little. With yeah, little planning you can achieve your goal. And fifth one, only dash people were there on the opening night of his play. நான் சொன்னேன்லமா, first questionல dash people came to see the exhibition வந்தது. அங்க நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? Many people யூஸ் பண்ணோம். இங்க பாருங்க, the same question, அதே மாதிரியான question தான். Only கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. onlyனா only dash people were there on the opening night of his play. அப்போ கொஞ்சம் பேர் மட்டும்தான் இருந்தாங்க. only. So, yeah, few. Only, yeah, few people were there on the opening night of his play. Right? Sixth question, ma. Yes. I still have dash money left. I could lend it to you. என்கிட்ட இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மணி இருக்கு. அதை நான் என்ன செய்யறேன்? உனக்கு கொடுக்கறேன். lend mean கொடுக்கிறது. Okay. So, கொஞ்சம் மணி இருக்கு. மணின்றது uncountable one. So, the answer is yeah, little. And seventh one, dash of our problems are of our own making. Here, problem is the noun and problem is countable one. So, நமக்கு வர எல்லா பிரச்சனைக்குமே காரணம் நாம தான். Then, answer is many. Many of our problems are of our own making. And eighth one, if she makes dash remarks like that, she will find herself in trouble with her colleagues. Here, அவ இதே மாதிரி தப்பு பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தானா அவ colleagues கிட்ட அவ கஷ்டப்பட வேண்டியதுதான் அப்படி சொல்றாங்க ஓகேவா. So, the answer is yeah, few. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தப்பு பண்ணா. If she makes a few remarks like that, இதே மாதிரி இன்னும் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருந்தானா கொஞ்சம் அவளுக்கு வந்துட்டு அவ colleagues கிட்ட ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா தான் இருக்கும். So, yeah, few. Then the ninth one, dash hard work and dash bit of luck go together in making success of any venture. இங்க நிறைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் கொஞ்சம் லக் இருந்ததுன்னா அவங்களுக்கு சக்சஸ் வரும் அப்படி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க ஓகேவா. ஸோ நிறைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்ன்றது uncountable one and நிறையன்றதுனால much. Then luck is also a uncountable and minimum amount அப்படினால yeah, little. Much hard work and a little bit of luck go together in making success of any venture. And the 10th one, dash people came for the premiere of the film but only dash remained till the end. என்ன செய்றாங்க? அந்த ஃபிலிம்க்கு நிறைய பேர் வராங்க ஆனா கடைசில கொஞ்சம் பேர் மட்டும்தான் இருக்காங்க. So, many people came for the premiere of the film but only a few remained till the end. கடைசி வரைக்கும் கொஞ்சம் பேர் மட்டும்தான் இருந்தாங்க. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதாமா? Once again I repeat the topic, that is many and a few. Countable noun use பண்ணுவோம். Much and a little uncountable noun க்கு use பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? And book exercise full-ஆ mark பண்ணிக்கோங்க. And thank you. See you in the next class.